Hello dear traders, you are watching Currency and Commodity Weekly Review on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Mixed economic statistics pushed the US dollar to reverse the previous week's gains last Friday, despite yet another shift in sentiment towards monetary policy. For the week, the greenback fell by 0.57%, partially reversing a 0.64% gain from the previous week. In spite of the pullback, the dollar remained up by 1.47% year-to-date. While economic data out of the United States was mixed, economic data out of the Eurozone provided some support to the euro. While the euro looked to recapture the $1.12 levels, the Aussie and Kiwi dollar struggled throughout the week. In contrast, both the pound and loonie closed out with the gains. The pound sterling had a very strong end to the last week, whereas the US dollar after the dismal local election results for the Tories and the Labour Party. The pound closed at 1.3174, gaining 2.13% or 254 points over the week. Meanwhile, in cryptocurrency trades, the price of Bitcoin hit a 2019 high on Friday, but the gain may be less about demand for Bitcoin and more about problems at the embattled exchange Bitfinex. Bitcoin traded as high as $5,791 on Friday, according to CoinDesk, up by about 7% on the day and the highest price since November. In commodity market, oil prices edged up on Friday as strong US economic data boosted demand sentiment and as production losses in sanctions hit Iran and Venezuela tightened the market. However, oil futures posted weekly declines on a jump in US crude inventories. US West Texas Intermediate crude futures settled higher at $61.94 per barrel, after sinking by 2.8% on Thursday. WTI fell by 2.2% last week. Brent crude futures rose to $70.85 per barrel, but slumped by 2% in the previous session and ended the week by 1.8% lower. At the same time, gold prices climbed Friday, recouping some of the sharp loss from a day earlier that sent prices to the lowest level of the year. But the previous metal still registered a loss for the week. Gold for June delivery on COMEX tacked on $9.30 or 0.7% to settle at $1,281.30 an ounce, with the front month contract pairing its weekly loss to 0.6%. The yellow metal posted a gain last week but fell in each of the 4 weeks before that. You were watching weekly review of the currency and commodity market on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.